Imagine waking up one day and knowing your money is working harder than you are. Want to know how the pros do it? Hi, I'm Emma, your guide to mastering the world of smart investing. Welcome to Wealth Mindset, the place where financial freedom becomes reality. If you're ready to grow your wealth, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Grab a notepad, sit back, and let's dive into the ultimate guide to investing like a pro. The first step to mastering your finances is understanding where you stand right now. List out every source of income you have, what you spend on, your current debts, and your net worth. It might feel overwhelming at first, but clarity gives you power. When you can see the full picture, you can take control. Next, set goals that actually excite you and give your money a purpose. Think beyond numbers. What does financial freedom mean to you? It could be owning your dream home, traveling the world, or retiring early with peace of mind. The clearer your goals, the stronger your motivation. One of the best shields in your financial adventure is an emergency fund. It protects you from unexpected storms like job loss or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a safe, easy-to-access account. It gives you confidence, stability, and peace of mind. High-interest debt is like quicksand. It pulls you down fast. The sooner you escape it, the faster you can move forward financially. Start by tackling your credit cards and personal loans with the highest interest rates. It's one of the most powerful financial moves you can make. Finally, knowledge is your compass on this journey. Learn the basics like what stocks, bonds, ETFs, risk, and diversification actually mean. The more you understand, the better decisions you'll make with confidence. Investing doesn't have to be scary, it can be empowering. Your investment strategy should always reflect your personal goals and how much risk you're comfortable with. Are you the kind of person who wants stability? Or are you okay riding the roller coaster for bigger rewards? Knowing your risk tolerance helps you avoid emotional decisions when the market shifts. It's like choosing the right gear before you start a long adventure. Next, you'll need to decide whether you want to be hands-on or hands-off with your investments. Active investing means more control but more effort and risk. Passive investing is more relaxed, often through index funds, and great for long-term growth. There's no right answer, only what fits your lifestyle. Timing plays a crucial role in investment success. If you need the money soon, your approach should be different than if you're planning for 20 years from now. Short-term goals need safer, more liquid investments. Long-term goals allow you to ride out the waves and grow bigger over time. Want to keep more of your money? Then understand tax-advantaged accounts like retirement or education savings. They help you grow your wealth faster by reducing what you owe in taxes. Think of them as secret tunnels through the tax jungle. The final step is to treat your investment plan like a mission map. Write it down, revisit it often, and adjust as life changes. Having a clear plan keeps you focused when things get rocky. It's not just about making money, it's about building your future with purpose. Diversification is your ultimate safety net on this financial journey. Instead of relying on one investment, spreading your money across different options helps protect you from big losses. It's like having multiple ropes on a mountain climb. You're much safer that way. The goal is to stay steady, then when one path gets slippery. It's not just about investing in different companies, you also need to diversify across asset classes. That means mixing stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cash equivalents. Each class behaves differently, which helps balance risk and reward. Think of it like assembling a powerful team with unique strengths. Investing globally can help reduce risk tied to just one country. While your home country might struggle, other markets could thrive. By adding international investments, you open yourself to more opportunity and balance. It's like exploring beyond your borders for hidden treasure. As your portfolio grows, it won't stay balanced on its own. Some assets will grow faster than others, changing your risk profile. That's why rebalancing is key, periodically adjusting to keep everything in check. It's like recalibrating your compass before continuing your adventure. Don't confuse risk with volatility. Risk is the chance of loss, while volatility is just the market's natural ups and downs. Learning to live with short-term swings helps you stay invested for long-term rewards. It's all part of the journey to wealth. When you buy a stock, you're not just clicking a button, you're actually becoming a part owner of a real business. That means you share in both the risks and the rewards. Understanding this shifts how you view every investment. You're not betting, you're building ownership in the future. To make smart choices in the stock market, you need to learn how to evaluate what you're buying. Fundamental analysis looks at the company's health, its profits, debts, and long-term outlook. Technical analysis focuses on price patterns and charts. Together, they give you a clearer map through the market jungle. Dollar cost averaging means investing a set amount regularly, regardless of what the market is doing. It takes emotion out of the equation and keeps you consistent. Over time, this strategy can smooth out the highs and lows of the market. Think of it like planting seeds every week, no matter the weather. Dividends might seem small, but over time they can become a powerful source of passive income. They're like little rewards for staying invested in strong companies. Reinvesting them can help your portfolio grow even faster. It's the power of steady, compounding progress. The market will always have ups and downs, but your success depends on how you respond. Emotional investing can lead to panic and poor decisions. Stay calm, stick to your plan, and trust the long-term process. Discipline is your greatest weapon in the market. Real estate is one of the most tangible and powerful ways to build long-term wealth. Your property can grow in value over time while also generating steady monthly income. That's the double advantage: appreciation and cash flow. It's like planting a tree that gives both shade and fruit. You have two main options: buy a rental property or invest in REITs. Owning real property gives you control but requires effort and management. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, offer passive exposure without the hassles. Think of it as adventuring on foot versus riding a well-trained eagle. Leverage means using borrowed money to grow your real estate portfolio faster. It's a powerful tool, but it must be used wisely. The right loan can multiply your gains, while poor decisions can drag you into deep debt. It's like riding a rocket: you need skill to steer it safely. Real estate isn't one size fits all. Every city, neighborhood, and even street can have completely different rules, risks, and returns. That's why research is your greatest weapon. Always know the terrain before you build your financial fortress. Don't be fooled by the shiny numbers. Real estate has hidden costs. Repairs, vacancies, taxes, and insurance can sneak up on you fast. If you plan ahead, you can manage them without stress. Every good investor keeps an emergency kit ready. The earlier you start investing for retirement, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Even small amounts can grow into something massive over the decades. Time is your greatest ally in building future freedom. Think of it like planting a magic seed that grows into a golden forest. Not all retirement accounts are the same, so it's important to know your options. Traditional accounts offer upfront tax breaks, while Roth accounts give you tax-free withdrawals later. 401ks are often tied to your job, while IRAs offer personal flexibility. Choosing the right mix can maximize your future wealth. If your employer offers a retirement match, take it. It's basically free money. For every dollar you contribute, they might add another. It's one of the easiest ways to accelerate your retirement savings. Don't leave this treasure behind. As you get closer to retirement, your strategy should shift. You'll want a mix that still grows, but protects against big risks. That's where portfolio diversification comes in, balancing stocks, bonds, and safer options. It's like upgrading your armor as you approach the final level of the game. Saving for retirement is only half the journey. You also need a smart withdrawal plan. Taking out money too soon can trigger penalties, while poor timing can cost you in taxes. Plan ahead so your wealth lasts as long as you do. It's your final move, make it count. Markets will rise and fall, but your long-term plan is what matters most. Don't let flashy headlines or sudden drops shake your confidence. Remember why you started and stick to your strategy, even when things get stormy. It's about staying steady through the chaos. If it promises fast riches with no effort, it's probably a trap. Get-rich-quick schemes are everywhere, but real wealth takes time and patience. Don't risk your future chasing illusions. Solid investing is an adventure, not a shortcut. The market changes, and so should your knowledge. Commit to being a lifelong learner when it comes to money. Whether it's a podcast, book, or mentor, always be sharpening your skills. The more you know, the better your journey becomes. Life changes, and your financial goals should adapt too. Review your goals at least once a year. What worked last year might not work this year. It keeps you aligned with your values and dreams. A little reflection goes a long way. Your financial path is unique, so stop comparing it to someone else's. Everyone has different timelines, goals, and challenges. Stay focused on your own growth and don't get distracted by someone else's highlight reel. You're not behind, you're on your own track. There you have it, a complete roadmap to invest like a pro and build real wealth. Whether you're just starting or refining your strategy, you're already ahead just by taking action. Every step you take matters. Keep going, you've got this. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealth Mindset, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future insights. We've got more powerful content coming your way. Your financial journey is just getting started. Let's grow together. We'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest takeaway? Or what's your biggest challenge in investing? Let's chat in the comments below. Your insight could inspire someone else. This is Emma from Wealth Mindset, reminding you the power of a wealthy mindset is within your reach. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing smart. Your future self will thank you.